You've probably seen those viral cat videos all over YouTube. Cute, catchy, and somehow pulling in millions of views. Every scroll, another one pops up. It almost feels like anyone can post a random clip and blow up overnight. At first glance, this seems like the perfect niche. Simple, fun, and endlessly popular. But the truth is, this space became overcrowded almost instantly. Creators are no longer just posting 15-second clips. They're using the same viral energy, the same emotional hooks, but stretching it into cinematic, long-form videos that hold attention, build loyalty, and attract millions. One creator started just 3 months ago, and already sits at 2 million subscribers and over 2 billion total views. Another has only uploaded about 20 videos, and every single one crosses 1 million views. And there's yet another who started barely a month ago, already pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per upload. That's not luck, that's strategy. And the best part? This niche still isn't saturated. Most people think long-form videos take too much time or require advanced editing skills. But with the right system, one that uses AI tools wisely, 90% of the work can be automated. You just guide the process and add your creative touch. So in this guide, I'm going to show you the complete blueprint, step by step, to create these viral AI-powered long-form videos from scratch. We'll go from concept to visuals, to editing, to final upload. Everything you need to know, laid out clearly. Every great video starts with a powerful idea. If the concept is weak, no amount of editing or music can save it. The good news? AI can help you create a killer idea in minutes. For this, we'll use ChatGPT, your secret weapon for creativity. Start by telling ChatGPT that it's an expert in viral YouTube storytelling. Then give it a clear instruction. Create a 2-minute video concept with 25 to 35 short scenes. Each scene should include an image prompt and a simple animation idea. You can even describe the emotional arc, whether you want the video to feel funny, dramatic, inspiring, or mysterious. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a complete concept list, scene by scene, with details you can visualize. If it feels too short, just say, expand it, and it'll instantly add more. And here's the trick. You can reuse the same prompt multiple times to get entirely new storylines until you find one that stands out. This process replaces hours of brainstorming and gives you a creative foundation built for virality, something you can build your visuals on right away. Now that your concept is ready, it's time to turn words into visuals, the part where imagination starts to take form. Think of this step as painting your story, one frame at a time. Every image you generate becomes a window into your idea, something your audience can see and feel. For this, we'll use a free AI tool called Magic Hour, one of the most powerful platforms for creating both realistic images and short AI-generated video clips. It's user-friendly, fast, and doesn't require any technical background. When you open Magic Hour, you'll see several options, but for now, go to the AI image generator. In the Style section, choose Photo Style. This gives your images a realistic, cinematic texture, perfect for YouTube storytelling. It makes your visuals feel alive, not like typical AI art. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. This is the standard widescreen format used on YouTube. Anything else might crop or distort your visuals when you edit later, so this step is crucial. Now go back to ChatGPT. Take the first image prompt from the concept you generated earlier. Copy it, then paste it directly into Magic Hour's prompt box. Before you click Generate, you can make small tweaks, like adding specific lighting or mood. For example, if your scene is emotional, you can write soft lighting, golden hour, emotional atmosphere. If it's mysterious, try foggy forest, moody lighting, cinematic tone. These small details change everything. AI responds strongly to descriptive language. The more you describe, the more detailed and beautiful your output becomes. Now click Generate. Within seconds, Magic Hour will produce 4 image variations for you to choose from. Each version will look slightly different, maybe a different angle, lighting, or texture. Study them for a moment. Which one captures the feeling of your story best? Which one looks the most cinematic, the most emotionally connected to your message? Pick that one, then download it. Now, repeat this process for every scene in your list. If your concept has 25 to 30 scenes, you'll end up with the same number of unique visuals, each one handcrafted by AI based on your script. By the time you finish, you'll have a library of cinematic frames ready to go, a complete visual skeleton of your story. This step might sound a little repetitive, but believe me, it's where the real magic begins. Each image you create is more than just a picture. It's a piece of emotion frozen in time. It's the moment your imagination stops being invisible and starts becoming real. If you want to go even further, experiment with Magic Hour's style. Reference option. You can upload one image, say a cinematic still or a film shot you love, and the AI will generate all your new images in a similar mood or color tone. This creates visual consistency, making your final video look like it was directed by a single artist, not stitched together from random pictures. And here's a bonus tip. If you're planning to make multiple videos in the same niche, save your favorite style settings. Using the same visual tone across all videos helps you build a recognizable brand identity. Your audience will start to recognize your style instantly. So don't rush this step. Enjoy the process of creation. Experiment with lighting, angles, and emotion until every frame feels right. Because in the end, these AI-generated visuals aren't just filler. They're the soul of your story. Each one sets the mood, builds immersion, and keeps viewers watching till the very end. That's the secret difference between videos that look made by AI and videos that look made with vision. Take your time, refine your visuals, and once your image library feels complete, you're ready for the next big transformation, turning still frames into motion. Next, we'll transform these images into motion. In Magic Hour, open the Image to Video feature. Upload your first image, set the duration to 5 seconds, and select 1080p for high quality. If you want to add some movement, like a slow zoom, a camera tilt, or a subtle pan, copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Click Render. Wait a minute, and your short clip will be ready. Then repeat this process for each image. Within an hour, you'll have a sequence of professional-looking clips ready to edit. This is the part where AI truly shines, doing what used to take hours of animation work in just a few clicks. By combining realistic imagery with subtle camera motion, your video starts to look alive. Not like static slides, but like a crafted story unfolding before the viewer's eyes. Now, visuals are only half the story. The other half, the part that controls emotion, is sound. Music and sound design can make or break a video. They pull the viewer in, set the rhythm, and trigger feelings subconsciously. For this, we'll use Pixabay, a free resource for copyright-free music and sound effects. Start by heading to the music section. In the search bar, type something like emotional, cinematic, or motivational. Preview several tracks and pick the one that fits your tone. If your video has a shift in energy, for example, from sad to powerful, download 2 tracks to represent that change. Then go to the sound effects category. Search for small details. City ambience, footsteps, animal sounds, or whatever matches your scenes. A simple wind whoosh or heartbeat sound can add life to your story. Download a few and organize them in folders, one for background music, one for effects. Now you're ready to edit. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together in CapCut. It's free, intuitive, and more than enough to make professional quality edits. Import all your video clips, background tracks, and sound effects. Drag your clips onto the timeline in order. Trim each clip to around 3 seconds, fast enough to keep viewers engaged, but long enough to absorb each scene. Next, drop your background music underneath the clips. Trim out any silence and lower the volume slightly, around -10 decibels, so your effects and voiceovers can sit above it. Now imagine your video's emotional flow. Where should it rise? Where should it slow down? For example, if your story has a transformation, like a cat going from poor to rich, You can make it powerful with a music transition. Fade out the sad track just before the change. Add a whoosh sound or a car engine effect. Then bring in a new, uplifting track with a smooth fade in. CapCut makes all of this quick and clean. Just drag, fade, and balance. When done right, your viewers won't even notice the edits. They'll just feel the emotion. Once your story and sound are in sync, it's time to polish. Select all your clips, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This merges everything into one sequence. Now add an intro fade in and an outro fade out. It gives your video a professional rhythm. Experiment with CapCut's transitions. For example, the white flash transition works beautifully for emotional or dramatic shifts. Check your pacing. Does every moment feel smooth? Are there any awkward pauses or rushed cuts? Then adjust the final color tone and brightness if needed. A slight contrast boost can make your visuals pop. Finally, preview the entire video. Watch it as if you're a viewer, not the creator. Notice the flow, the beats, the transitions. If it feels engaging from start to end, you're ready to export. Set your resolution to 1080p, frame rate to 60 FPS, and click Export. In minutes, your masterpiece will be ready. Creating the video is only half the journey. Now, you need to make sure people actually watch it. When uploading, focus on your title and thumbnail. These two things decide whether someone clicks or scrolls past. Your title should spark emotion and curiosity. Instead of "Cat becomes rich," try something like "He was just a stray until this happened." It creates mystery and invites the viewer in. Your thumbnail should be clear and emotional. One face, one expression, one moment that tells a story at a glance. Next, write a strong description using your main keywords naturally. Not spammy, just descriptive. And remember, YouTube rewards consistency. If you post once every few weeks, growth will crawl. But if you upload regularly, even once a week, the algorithm will start to recognize your content and push it further. Engage with your audience in the comments, ask questions, and keep improving with every upload. Let's talk about why this entire system works so powerfully. Shorts are great for quick virality, but they fade fast. Long-form videos build depth, emotion, and community. They hold viewers longer, and longer watch time means more promotion from YouTube. By combining AI-powered visuals, emotional storytelling, and strategic pacing, you're building the perfect hybrid. A format that catches attention like a short, but holds interest like a movie. And because every element, from image to music, is AI-generated and custom-made, your videos are fully original and 100% monetizable. You're not reusing someone else's footage. You're creating your own digital film from scratch, a process that's both scalable and sustainable. Think of it as owning a mini studio powered entirely by AI tools, producing content at lightning speed. Now you know the exact formula to build AI-powered long-form videos that can go viral, from concept to final upload. You've learned how to use ChatGPT for concepts and storyboards, generate cinematic visuals with Magic Hour Ad Life with Pixabay music and sound effects, edit, polish, and export with CapCut, and publish with strategy to reach more viewers. All of this is within your reach today. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need years of editing experience. You just need consistency and creativity. Most people will stop at learning. They'll think, "This sounds great," but never start. Don't be that person. Start small. Create one video using this system. It doesn't have to be perfect, because with every video you create, you'll learn faster, think better, and improve naturally. Remember, you're not competing with huge creators. You're competing with your past version, the one who hasn't started yet. So open ChatGPT, write your first prompt, generate your first image, build your first clip. Step by step, scene by scene, your story will come alive. And who knows, your next upload might just be the one that changes everything. This is your chance to be early in a new wave of content, smarter, faster, and limitless. The future of YouTube is being written right now, and you're part of it. So go create, stay consistent, and I'll see you at the top.